A great health and fitness feature with watchOS and iOS is the ability to see your heart rate zones on Apple Watch and iPhone. For those unfamiliar, heart rate zones are a percentage of your maximum heart rate and are automatically calculated and personalized using your health data. On Apple Watch, heart rate zones are presented in 5 segments, effort levels from light to increasingly harder. By monitoring your heart rate zone, you can make your workout more efficient and challenge yourself to improve your fitness. That said, let's get started. So first off, I'm going to show you how to see your heart rate zones during a workout on your Apple Watch. Simply start a cardio-focused workout like a walk, run, cycling on your Apple Watch. Then swipe down on the first workout screen to see your heart rate and which zone it is in. Then I'm going to show you how to see your heart rate zones after a workout on your iPhone. To do so, open the fitness app on your iPhone, then choose a workout from the main summary screen, or tap the rings or show more to pick a different date or workout. And once you have picked a workout, swipe down until you see your heart rate. Now tap on show more option. Then you will see the breakdown of how much time you spend in each heart rate zone. Then I'm going to show you how to manually edit your heart rate zones on your Apple Watch. While the heart rate zones are automatically added based on your age, height and weight, you can manually change them as per your needs as well. To do so, launch the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then select Workout. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Heart Rate Zones. And then choose Manual at the top. After that, you can edit your heart rate zones as per your needs. Alternatively, you can do it from your iPhone as well. To do so, open the Apple Watch app on your paired iPhone. Then select Workout. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Heart Rate Zones. And then choose Manual at the top. And then you can perfectly edit your heart rate zones depending on your needs. And finally, I'm going to show you how to see your maximum heart rate. Going beyond your max heart rate is considered unsafe by medical professionals. To see your max heart rate on your Apple Watch, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and select Workout. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Heart Rate Zones. Now you can swipe down to find your max heart rate subject to availability. Alternatively, you can do so from your iPhone as well. To do so, open the Apple Watch app on your paired iPhone. Now scroll down and select Workout. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Heart Rate Zones. Then you have to swipe down to find your max heart rate, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily see your heart rate zones on your Apple Watch and iPhone during or after workouts. Now that you have discovered this pretty neat health feature, make the most of it to improve or enhance your fitness. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.